So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 1st to the 7th of June 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the readings, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. They are pre-recorded courses. Keep that in mind before applying, and they are non-refundable. That too, please keep that in mind. Okay, let's start. Pisces, I'll talk to you guys about the Osho meditations in between the readings. So let's see, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. So I have the Ace of Wands. Somebody here is feeling like a lot of pull towards you, a lot of attraction towards you, a lot of physical attraction towards you. It can be a new person, or it can be somebody who is feeling very fresh, very exciting, very passionate kind of energies towards you. A brand new beginning, and a brand new energy of passion. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Wands. Very excited, very much in this butterfly in the stomach kind of energy, and like very passionate, very attracted, infatuated. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands as their feelings for you, Pisces. I have the Knight of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. Yeah, this is somebody who feels like they should hide their feelings from you. They should not tell you how excited they are, how infatuated they are, how attracted they are. And or simply this person is somebody who is cheating on you with somebody else, and they are having a secret that they don't want to reveal to anyone. That is why things are on hold between you and a particular person. If you are suspicious about a person that they might be cheating or lying to you, there are very high chances that they are, especially if it is some kind of on and off, in and out kind of connection, or if this is just one of those friends with benefits kind of connection. Somebody is trying to hide either there's strong attraction, pull, or infatuation towards you. If you guys have just started dating somebody, or just connected or reconnected with somebody. If not, this is somebody who feels like they're having a secret affair or secret something with somebody else, and that is why things are not moving forward between you and them. And or the vice versa can be absolutely true, that you are the one having some kind of affair with somebody and your person got to know about it, but they are pretending that they don't know it. There is a sense of cheating and deception here, whether you are doing it or they are doing it. Somebody's trying to hide another person here, another secret here, affair. Okay, that's tough. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular personal situation from your side, Pisces? I don't like these kind of readings. Two of Swords. You feel like you're on the crossroads, not being able to understand what's going on, what you should be doing, and what you should not be doing. In this direction, there is a sense of, I don't know what's happening, being up in the air, being in your head about something or someone, but being on the crossroads. Let's clarify the Two of Swords as your feelings for this particular person or situation, Pisces. I have the Queen of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles, the Five of Cups. Okay, you guys are feeling like it can be a marriage, it can be a very committed, very like long term relationship that you had with somebody, or still have. You guys are very disappointed. You are having certain kind of regret and or guilt, or you are crying over spilled milk, over a situation, over a commitment, over a marriage, or you guys were planning to do that if not married or committed yet, and you guys are on the crossroads whether you should be doing it anymore or not. Okay, there's a sense of loss here, deep rooted loss here over the situation. And then there is this energy of, what should I do? Should I leave it? Should I give it another shot? Should I do this? Should I do that? Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Pisces? Okay. We have the Four of Swords. Their intention here is to remain detached, remain detached, remain closed off, maybe. Somebody wants to keep themselves at a safe distance from the situation and detach, or put the situation on hold or take a break. Hmm. Let's clarify the Four of Swords as their intention, because there is some kind of cheating, lying, manipulation, deception involved here. This break is required or mandatory. That is why. Let's clarify the Four of Swords as their intention here. So we have the Empress, the Hierophant, and the Queen of Cups. They want about something long term, something that is going to be there for the rest of their life. Somebody got somebody pregnant here by accident. Yeah. And they might be hiding that. Okay. Okay. So somebody got somebody pregnant here by accident. Of course, this is not for every one of you. Take it how it resonates with you. It can be very much possible that somebody is trying to hide that either they got accidentally pregnant with somebody else, and or they got accidentally pregnant. They got somebody accidentally pregnant. They might not be having a full-fledged affair, but might be they did something once or twice, and now they are scared of the secret coming out. That is very much possible in few cases. But whatever the case may be, this person wants to save their commitment or marriage or a good relationship that they already have with you. If you are the one, the part of the secret affair, and they know it, still they want to give it a shot. My goodness, this is so confusing. I can't do it anymore. This is somebody who wants to heal the situation between you and them by giving themselves enough time and space to understand what they should be doing and what they should not be doing. Because according to them, they made a mistake. And now they want to rectify the mistake, and they want to save this connection or bond between you and them. If you are the one who did something horribly wrong, they are ready to forgive you and give it another shot. But they want distance, time, space, and a lot of healing before they can come forward and start or restart with you again. Pisces, this is so difficult. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Okay, before that, let me invite you guys for my 7 day 7 Osho meditation event that's happening from 5th till the 11th of June 2026, 4:30 till the 5:30 of PM. In the evening, we are going to do a lot of life changing meditation, 7 meditation in 7 days, 1 hour each session 1 hour, like Kundalini meditation, seven chakra meditation, and grounding meditation, centering meditation. At the and like on the 7th day, we are going to do Vipassana meditation. So a lot of meditations are going to be there. Lots of healing is going to be there. Lots of laughter, lots of fun, lots of dancing, and you guys are going to share a good space with me online. And I'm going to share everything that I could from my side in order to make you guys go deeper and deeper and deeper into your meditation. Of course, it takes a lot of time, but from my side, because I'm trying to spread Osho's work in the world, along with earning money too. So this is going to be my thing from this point onwards. And if you guys want to start or restart your spiritual journey, healing journey, this is an opportunity for you. And or if you want to enter into Osho's world and know about his meditations, exciting opportunity. It's going to help you guys a lot in healing your energies, okay, in letting the trauma and pain come out. And this is going to be a live event, 4:30 till 5:30 in the afternoon. In the evening, 3,500 is the fees for Indians. For others, it's 125 USD. You should be above 18, and you are good to go. And you don't have to believe in anything. You don't have to believe in Osho or anything. You can just do the meditations and see the results afterwards by yourself. And I cannot provide the recordings because I'm not authorized or licensed to give Osho meditation recordings to anybody, right? So that can't be possible. But live event, you can join, you can enjoy, we can have a lot of fun, and I'll see you on the other side, right, Pisces? Go for it. Check the link out. I'm going to leave it in the comments in the description box, and help yourself to change your life, right? So let's start. Your intentions for this particular situation. Judgment. You are in this energy of forgiveness and forgetting and moving forward with or without this person. Yes. You are in this energy of forgiveness and forgetting and maybe bringing something dead back to life kind of energy. But you are ready to move forward with or without this person. But forgiveness and a lot of healing is required. That's your intention. Let's clarify the judgment as your intention here. So I have the Two of Cups and the King of Swords and the Hanged Man. Right now, you want to operate from a detached state of mind, a detached state of energy. You want to surrender for to the divine for whatever is going to happen next in a situation. But right now, like you care for this person. You have a soulmate kind of energy with this person. You care for this person. But right now, you want to operate from a detached sense of energy and being in the surrender mode that whatever is supposed to happen whenever it is supposed to happen, and whatever is going to be good for your highest good, for somebody else's highest good, is going to be good for you to go ahead. Let's see what could be the potential outcome here, Pisces, for you guys till the 7th of June. Let's see, honey. I have the Ace of Pentacles here. So this is going to be a brand new beginning, a brand new chapter opening up. For most of you, it's related to your one money, job, career, finances, or work. Let me clarify the Ace of Pentacles, but universe is going to provide you with some kind of brand new opportunity to start or restart something from scratch that has a potential to become something really big in the coming future. Let's see. I have the Wheel of Fortune, the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah. You guys might be waiting for some kind of brand new beginning. The wheels are going to turn in your favor, and slowly but surely, things will start working out in a particular direction in your life. Very, very slowly but surely. It's going to be like you guys are waiting and waiting and waiting and watching and hoping for some kind of situation to start working out in your favor. So the universe is going to give you this energy of green signal, like, yeah, you're good to go. It's happening. It's happening. It is going to take time to shape up into something stable, solid in the coming future. It's going to take time for something to develop into a totally full-fledged, stable kind of energy. But the wheels are going to turn in your favor. Will start turning in your favor, and something will start working out in your favor. For most of you, it's job, career, finances, or business opportunity. For others of you, it can be a new person, new energy entering in your space, you starting or restarting, and you were waiting for this thing to start working out in your favor. It is happening. The tables are turning in your favor, but things are going to take time to develop into something meaningful. Okay, it's not going to be like it's going to take you time, like nearby 7 months from now, for something that you're waiting for and hoping for to work out in your favor, to give you the kind of result that you're hoping for. Now, if I said 7 months, it is not like it's written on stone and it can happen. It cannot happen before that. According to your energies, according to your actions, according to your karma, uh, the outcome is also going to be different. Okay, let's see the guidance here. I have the Page of Swords, Ace of Swords, Five of Wands, Knight of Wands. Clear all the drama. You guys have to clean all the mess, all the drama, all the on and off, in and out kind of energies, impulsive kind of energies out of your life, out of your system. And you have to have proper understanding and clarity of why you want what you want and what you're looking forward to have and what kind of actions you are ready to take from your side. But before that, clean all the mess that's going on in your life, because everything is interconnected. If you're not emotionally happy, or if you're in emotional rut, especially in romantic relationships, it affects your emotional health, mental health, and physical health too, and it affects rest of your life areas too. So make sure you are going to clean the rut, clean the mess properly before you guys are going to start or restart something. And you should have a proper understanding and knowledge of why you are doing what you are doing and what you are trying to achieve from that, and what actions are you ready to take from your side in order to achieve whatever you're trying to achieve here in a proper way, right? That's the answer. That's the thing. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Pisces. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. Okay. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask a question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Okay. So the answer to a question is get more information. Okay, let's see. This card can function not just as a general suggestion that more information will help guide your decisions, but also as a warning that people or situations might not be as they initially seem. Seek to learn more about your present circumstances and then move forward. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste. Don't forget to check out the 7 day 7 Osho meditation link. I'll see you on the other side. Bye.